Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a white diamond 2015 GMC Acadia SLE, stock number A7239. Starting up front, you can see this is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a Kelly Edge tire that is an 18-inch tire. And inside you have a black cloth upholstery which is in fantastic condition. There is seating for two in the front row. You also have seating for two back in the second row. On the back of the center console there are rear climate controls, and there are also two USB ports. And then looking to the third row, might be a little hard to see back here, but there is seating for three, making this a 7-passenger Acadia. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There are backup sensors here on the bumper. You've also got a backup camera here. There is a power liftgate, so it's as easy as the push of one button to get that trunk open and closed. As you can see, it's very clean inside. The third row seating folds into a 60-40 split. The second row seating does fold down as well, so that will give you tons of extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you this GMC today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side row, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments. And then as we take a step inside here, to the left of the steering wheel there are cruise control buttons, and to the right hand side you have audio controls. Looking up to the rear view mirror, this is equipped with Onstar. Coming down to the center, you've got a great touchscreen display here, which is where your backup camera shows. There is an auxiliary port here. You've got a CD player along with an AM/FM radio, and you've also got capabilities for XM satellite radio, Pandora radio, and Stitcher Smart Radio. There are driver information buttons here. Coming down underneath of that, you have your climate controls. There are buttons here for heated front row seating, and there is one USB port right here. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission with a 3.6-liter V6 engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 23 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this GMC or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.